Down jackets are wonderful at keeping you warm, but if they have an accident and get torn, then the down comes straight out and it ruins them. So you can do quick fixes by whip stitching them, the holes together, but then the down still migrates and the look is not great. So after a bit of thinking with a lot of fabric knowledge, I bought Spinnaker tape. It's a ripstop nylon, so it has these little squares in it. It means it's very tightly woven. It has a self-adhesive back. It's used to being out in all weathers because it's designed for spinnaker use, and this should solve the problem. Tape has gone over here already and come off, I think, but you can see there's quite a few feathers sticking out. So firstly, we'll tuck them away as far as we can. You don't want to keep pulling, because the more you pull, the more the down appears. So we'll just tuck those away as best as we can and clean up the area. As a demonstration to you, this is going to be quite challenging because of all these feathers, because the hole goes right down to that little line there, because I know that stitching doesn't work on top of this because I've already experimented. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure quite a big gap. We're going to go all the way down to this third stitching line there. Now you can measure on this ripstop quite well because it's got these lines. So I shall snip it there. I peeled the top section back and I'm going to line it up carefully with the edge of that stitching. Now the danger is that you'll get bubbles, but we're going to work quite carefully down, smoothing it out as we go and slightly stretching the material. Hear me concentrating, hear my brain going round. There we are. Ease it out, ease it out. Job done, I think.